Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag, Uppada. And today in this class, we will solve another problem. So let us write the problem statement. So need to print, user need to take input of integer and user need to print the each digit from n onwards. So this is the problem statement. For example, let's take 4, 5, 8, 6. So the user need to print 6, 8, 5, 4. So user need to print this kind of numbers in this way, like n onwards, each number here, like the n number is 6, right? So first number is 6, and after that 8, 8, after that 5, 5, and after that 4. So from backside onwards, each digit you have to print line by line, 6, 8, 5, 4. So this is the problem. So you have to write code for this problem. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let us write the code. So import java.util.star scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. So we have to take user input and while n is should be greater than 0 until this loop should perform. So while is also loop, right? Uh, as we know the for loop, the while is also a loop. So until this condition fails, this loop will be executed. So I will print the last number. How can we print? So as we discussed earlier, if we want the last digit of a number, we have to do n mod 10. So if you want the last digit, so it is tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So 6 is 10, 8 is 100, 5 is 1000, 4 is 10,000. So if you want the last digit, so I will get the last number by n mod 10. So 6 I have to print. So yes, I got the last number. So and after getting the last number, I have to remove this. I have to remove this last digit. How can I remove it? By performing n by is equal to, so n is equal to n by 10. So n is equal to n by 10. If you do division by 10, then the last digits 6 will be removed. Like try to divisible this number with 10, then you will get the coefficient as 458. That's it. You can do it, like you can do it roughly in the page, like you could took a white paper and uh, try to write this number and do divisible by 10. Then you will get the so if you want the last digit to remove, we have to do the n is equal to n by 10. Why I'm writing n is equal to n by 10? Because I have to remove the last number and I have to store it in the n only. For example, I have taken 4, 5, sorry, yes, 4, 5, 8, 6, right? So I have to remove 6. So 6 is removed. 6 is removed. And I have to store 4, 5, 8 in the n only. In n only. So how can I update the value by n is equal to? I'm updating the after removing n by 10. After what will n by 10 do? It will remove 6. And after removing 6, what will be the value 4, 5, 8? And I'm storing that 4, 5, 8 in the n only. So the n value will be updated. So I hope you understand. The n value will be updated. So each time the n value will be updated until this condition fails and should be greater than 0. And should be greater than 0. 485 is greater than 0, right? So this loop will be executed. After 8 will be removed. And a 45 is greater than 0, right? And this statement will be executed and 5 will be removed. And 4 is greater than 0, right? And 4 removed. And this loop will come outside. So the program gets executed and the required output will be printed. So I hope you understand what I'm saying. It's a simple problem. Like we have to know what will happen if we do modulus, what operations it will do, and if we do division, what operation it will take. So I hope you understand. So let's run this program. So the output is, so let us write the 4, 5, 8, 6. So the 4, 5, 8, 6, what would be the output? 6, 8, 5, 4. So 6, 8, 5, 4. So I hope you got it. So the output is also correct. So if you find any difficulty or if you don't understand anything, please comment in the chat. I will explain to you. And if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. So then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.